Namaskar everyone, welcome to Yoga Matth. Since we are approaching International Yoga Day, then I thought that I should be sharing a short video on Surya Namaskar which you can do at your home, which is really easy. You don't need any gym equipment for that. It's just 7 asanas you have to do repeatedly, and all Surya Namaskar workout is done from head to toe. It's complete cardio activity, strengthening your heart, strengthening your spine. So it's really good. Let's get started without wasting a single minute. Before that, let's subscribe to my channel, share and like, and do post your queries and questions. I'll be really happy to answer them. So let's get started. So we have to stand facing towards east. First asana is Pranamasana, Hastathanasana, Padasthasana, Ashwasanjalana. Now watch it carefully. When I'm taking my leg back, I took the right leg back first. Left leg back. Now body is absolutely straight. It is not in any angle. It is straight. Knees down, chest and chin down. Come forward. Bhujangasana. Go back to Parvatasana. Bring your right leg. Remember, we took the right back. And now we are bringing right forward. Keep your left leg straight. Join together. Join hands. Hastathanasana and Pranamasana. So this was half round. I'm going to perform the second half round. Inhale, hands up, Hastathanasana. Exhale, go down, Padasthasana. Take your left leg back. Keep your hands absolutely near to your foot. Not forward, not backward, just next to it. Take left leg back, look straight. Take right leg back also. Body straight, knees down, chest and chin up. This is Ashtanga Namaskar. Bring your body forward. Change your positions of the leg. Lift your chin, chest up. Take your body back to Parvatasana. Now left leg forward, right leg also forward, join hands, stretch up and Pranamasana. So these were 2 rounds which constitutes 1 Surya Namaskar round, right? So you can repeat them multiple times until you have a stamina, until you have a capacity, and if you are able to reach 108, it's really good. But it's okay if you're not able to. All matters is you should do some workout at home. And this is a good time that you can take out some time from your busy schedule. Get up a little early in the morning and do some workout for your body. So do post me your doubts and queries if you have. I will definitely help you in any way if I have to guide you or if I have to give you more detail about it. So I'll be watching your posts. Thank you very much for spending time with Yoga Matth. You stay safe, stay home. Namaskar.